What's going on, guys? Man from iTech224. Today we have a quick demo of the Lytro camera. Alright, so I'm here with Kira, and she is the VP of Marketing at Lytro, and she's going to give us a quick demo of the Lytro LightField camera.
Great. Hi. Thanks for having us. This is the world's first consumer light field camera. We capture all of the light traveling in every direction and every point in space. Gives you things like being able to focus a picture after the fact. Okay? So the camera is very much form follows function. It is not a giant lipstick for a large woman. It is an 8x optical zoom lens with an f2 aperture that we shoot wide open across the zoom range. So that's why the camera is designed the way that it is, to really suit the lens and still be able to fit inside of a pocket. Okay? So all the light flows into the lens and it strikes our light field sensor, which is proprietary. That's what allows us to capture 11 million light rays of data. And that's what gives us not only the color and intensity of light, which is what you get in a conventional camera, but also the direction of light. So that's what gives us these really cool capabilities. Okay? Everything else is built into the body of the camera, storage and battery. It's an ultra long life battery. This is our 16 gig model, which holds 750 light field pictures. And then we also have the light field engine, which allows us to process pictures directly on the cameras. Okay? So I can turn the camera on. Actually, I'm in creative mode. Turn the camera on, you can see that I can zoom in and zoom out. Let's see. I'll snap a shot here of these folks talking. Let's see if I can get there we go. I can swipe to go back in time. I can focus on this lady in the front. And then I can double click in and focus on the gentleman in the back. I took another one here earlier of some folks who were excited to meet Ren. And there's their sticker. And then there's our CEO, Ren Ung. And that's the camera in a nutshell. When you share pictures from the camera through your desktop up to the web, the pictures are interactive when you share them with friends and family, so they travel in a player, and your friends and family can interact with the picture without needing any special software.
Okay. So now I know that this is only Mac compatible right now, and I know you're working on bringing it to Windows, but if are you able to download them from the web, or is it only viewable on the web?
The pictures, download the pictures from the web. So you can't download pictures from the web. In order to work with the raw file, you need the desktop software. But from the web, you can pretty much do anything that you would want to do. And by the way, I should mention the player is a flash player if you're on a desktop device, but it's an HTML5 player if you're on a mobile device, so you can interact with them on an iPad or an iPhone.
Now, for the future, you're obviously planning on making the software a lot more powerful, but do you think it's going to stay with Flash forever? Because I know a lot of people don't like Flash right now.
You know what? We already have an HTML5 player, so yeah, it's really about accessibility.
Okay. And can you just tell me what the prices are on this and the models you have?
Sure. So we have an 8 gig model that comes in 2 colors, blue and gray. And the 8 gig is $399 and holds about 350 light field pictures. The Red Hot, which is what I have in my hand, is 16 gig and holds 750 light field pictures, and it's $499.
Okay. Thank you very much for that quick demo. Thank you.